So today I would like to talk about English in Pakistan. So I think it's very interesting to see English is an unofficial official language in Pakistan. English is not taught in school in Pakistan generally, but often English is used in other areas like political, business, higher educations, and something like that. So if you do not speak English in Pakistan, you lose your advantage. You cannot get ahead in life. You cannot get into higher education. You cannot get into business, find a good job. You cannot get into a government job, which is a really good pay in Pakistan. So what gets me is it is very similar to Hong Kong. Hong Kong used to be colonized by Britain for hundreds of years, and English became another official language other than Cantonese, and it is required in school, which means we need to study in school. We take exam, we study grammar, we just do all kind of study about English. And if you do not know English or you cannot speak it very well, you cannot get into a higher education, not even high school, and you will not be able to get a job, even a basic job with low income, because in Hong Kong, a tons of business, tons of company doing business and trading with other countries, and it requires you to speak or write in English. So if you cannot deal with it, you cannot get a job. And I think it's very smart for the Britain to force the colonies to learn English, because just make the colonies to be unified, more effective in communication, business, trading, political, etc. Because if you have a common language, it's much faster to communicate and to have a better understanding what each other need. And in business and trading, it's all about money. It's all about time. If you can do it like faster, it's better. So isn't God used the same principle? In Doctrine and Covenant 38:27, it says, "Behold, this I have given unto you as a parable, and it is even as I am. I say unto you, be one. And if ye are not one, ye are not mine." This is a commandment that we need to be one, to be unified. If we are not his people. Of course, what God is telling us is a high principle and related to our salvation. But still, I think it's very smart for the Britain to do the same thing. Not because they're prideful and want everyone to speak their language. Maybe they are, but more importantly, I think Britain did that because they want to have better communication with the people, to hear what the people say. Imagine if Britain cannot understand what the people are requiring or what people needs. They're not able to make some judgment or some adjustment for the people to have a better government, have a better law, or have a better um, um, case for the people. So I think God wants us to be like that for the same reason. He wants us to be happy. He wants us to be have a better communication with others, especially our families, to be able to be effective, so that we can help each other. We are able to help each other, spiritually, mentally, physically, and in all other ways that we can help. And what really gets me is, I think it's very amazing to see the wisdom of God compared to ours. Just look at that to see how God works and how we work is totally different. For the same aim, and we are not able to accomplish what he can accomplish, because in Isaiah 55:9 said, "For as the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts than your thoughts." So I think it's very amazing to see those two, how it works together. So thank you.